Hi guys, Cyberfy here. So welcome back. So today, what I am going to tell is the Linux. So today, this class is your way for mastering Linux. So I have created this web page here. I will share this link in the description. So this web page is not just an uh, simple web page. With this help of this web page I created, you can see here all the command line tools which you will get all the commands here. Okay, then you will also get the basics of like file hierarchy. Then this permission part, I will actually come to this all thing. Then there is some process management part and package management, installing package, removing software. Here the cron tabs, what are it? Service management. Okay, then this just a practice. Okay, so these all things which are required for solving CTFs or whatever, like TryHackMe rooms and all things. The basic thing which you need to require to enter or make your career in this field is Linux. So today's video will be based on a full Linux tutorial. So let's start. So I am actually using this Garuda Linux, which have here you can see Garuda Linux here, and this fish cell I am using. So this is actually Arc based Linux, uh, and Kali Linux is actually Debian based. So I earlier I was using Kali Linux, but now I am shifted to this you can say uh, Garuda Linux. So this was because actually let me show you. So this is the home page. So it will look quite stunning. That's why I shifted to just for this appearance purpose only. So there is some difference between this Debian and ArcBase, like that is basically this for this package installation mainly. Else you can say every command will be same. Okay, so let's go. I will move on with this whole command list later a bit. Okay, let me tell you this basic one. So, okay, let's close this. So let's start with, okay, let me open my terminal here. Yeah. So first of all, here you can see the command pwd. So what actually pwd tells is the present working directory, like in which directory which are we are currently working, which is currently open in the terminal. Okay. Then this list command here you can see here you have all of these directories present. So let's go to, like, if I mm, move on to like this bug bounty directory I have, then if I type pwd, here you can see I have this whole bug bounty directory written here. Okay, so this what I did is cd bug bounty. I changed my directory to bug bounty. There is a third command. Actually here this is very interactive, like if you click here you will actually get to know about what the command tells. Okay, here also you can will also get to know, like in cybersecurity context, what is the use of this command. Like in this list command here you can type list as la to see hidden files and all. So here same for cd cat and all everything. Okay, so now let's come to cat. Okay, so wait, let me create a directory. To create a directory, what you will use? You will use make directory. Here you can see make directory. So first, let me just create a directory. I will come to that later. Let's create a directory tutorial. Okay, then we will change directory to tutorial. So this is actually quite handy. That's why everyone uses Linux, not only for cybersecurity expert, but I think the people who are in tech field, who are in development and all stuff, they should also try Linux. It is quite handy. So now what I will do is, here you can see there is command cat, less, more, and here head, tail. So these 5 command is actually for viewing any file. But for that we have to create some file. So to create a file, I can just type touch, and like I will type file.txt. Okay, so now when you will list here, you can see there is a file.txt. Okay, so now what you can do, you can use Nano. So Nano is what? It's an editor. Now you have a file. You want to write content in a file. It's like Notepad. You can see just a editor to write content on the file. Now just enter anything, like I can say sample data. Okay, and now here you can see something like help, exit, write out, read file. So these all will work when you will press control. Like if I press control and X, it will exit. Now it asks me to save or modify this buffer. So I will type yes. And now the file name, I want it same. So I press enter. That's quite easy, you know, you don't have to do anything. Just with the help of command line, you can do everything. Now let's list again. There is same one file. Now I will use cat. Okay, file. You can use your tab key. If to, you can say automatically write the name. Here is the uh, file.txt file with sample data. Now we will come to this all like less. So these all are same, as well as gives us an interactive view by we can actually, let me show you. Like we can view page by page. If this is file is actually too small, so no need for that. But here you can see you will get the content easily. You can view it, and then after viewing, you can just press Q and it will exit. Okay, so that's how actually this work. Then there's an command more. So more is similar to less, but it prints one page, and that's how it works. Then this head part is like if you want to see some content, the first 10 lines or first few lines, you can view that using head. With tail, you can view ending lines. Okay, like last 10 lines, last 20 lines, you can mention that. Then after that comes touch, which we have already used. Okay, so now let's go to CP. So I need to copy the content of file .txt to the content, let's say file, to the file file1.txt. Let's see what it says. Okay, so it says missing destination file operand after file.txt. Okay, so like this is what I want to show you. Like if you forgot some command, okay, so you can always use like if you forget about CP, you can always use this help flag to check. This tells you the usage. Like here you can see copy, then this source and this directory. Okay, like copy file.txt, and wait, let me get file1.txt. Okay, it's an empty file. Okay, now I will do copy file.txt, and then file1.txt. So now I will run cat. Let me show you here file1.txt. Here you can see says sample data. So actually the file.txt content has been copied to file1.txt. It's just a normal copy command. So you can always use this dash help to see all the options available if you forgot anything. Okay. Now we have move. Move is works same actually. It just move. Actually, it renames the file, or you can say move the file. It's same. You can also type move dash help. Here same thing. You can see here move file name, source name, and then directory name. Just type move file1.txt. I'm using tab to navigate through these files. Okay, and then you can type like file2.txt. Now when you will see list here, you can see you have the file1.txt has been renamed to file2.txt. Okay, so that's how it works. Now another thing is make directory that I have already shown you. Then there is this remove command. Like if you want to remove this file, okay, so you can just type remove, then file name like file2.txt and enter. So now it's been removed. Okay, that's it. I'll show you here. Here you can see. it's been removed. After that, this remove directory is used to actually remove the directory, but it only removes an empty directory. Okay. If you want to remove an full directory, you have to use rm dash rf, that you can actually see from this dash help command. Like if I make then directory help and then I type list here, you can see directory, then I will type remove directory and I will type help. That's it. It's gone. So that's how easily you can do all the operation. Then there is this file command. So this is very important. Here you can see also this crucial part has written. So what this tells is it tells the file type, like file.txt. Here you can see ASCII text. If you have some image file, it will tell the image file and everything. Okay, that's it. Now here history. Okay, so these are basic command, like history will print your terminal history. I will not go much up, but here you have the terminal history with, you can see this timestamps. Okay, let's clear this. Clear command. Okay, so clear command is used to just clear your terminal, current terminal. Then there is two command, find and locate. So find command is actually little bit slower, but it actually do the you can say recursion, like recursive test, like you can say it search for whole system. Like if I type like this, find plus, and then wait, let me see. Okay, yeah, flag is just name, and you will type like file.txt. Let's say, I think this is the syntax, and okay, in inverted commas, no problem. File.txt, and then I think just do, okay. Say I sometime I forgot the command. Bad at it. Here slash dev slash none. So just this. Yep. So if you do this, you will actually get the whole location of that file.txt file. So that's how you can use find command. Similarly, the locate command is quite easy. Like if I just type locate file.txt, it will give this file.txt. Here you can see. Then there is some another command, that is which. Okay, so which actually tells us the version of the software that is installed. Like if I type which and type Python, so here you can see the location, the Python which is using, like user slash bin slash Python. Like if I type which httpx, so here is this bin slash httpx. So that's what it does. Then this tar, zip and unzip, these are just simple operation, like you all know, unzipping file, zipping file. Tar is to like unzip this tar.gz file, a gz file. Okay. Then yeah, so then this part comes, that is chmod and chmod, which I will yeah, so which I will tell you from here. But before that, when I come to this part, I will tell you a simple thing. Okay, let me show you that part. Okay, wait a second. Yeah. Uh, Actually, there was a call. So yeah. So here you can see we have left in this unzip part. So after that, before going to this chmod and resolve, you must have to know about the system map, that is file hierarchy, and this permission part. Okay. So let's start this. So what is this bin folder? Okay, so a bin folder actually stores the commands like list, copy, move, and all things. Okay, so actually that is accessible to all the user. Then there is sbin part, that is some system administrative binaries, like there you can see example reboot fdisk, that actually require root privileges. Then this etc part is actually very much, you can say, uh, important for your CTF. So it contains password file, shadow file, okay, many things like SSH, you can see this SHD config file. So it contains many things. Then the home part, user part. So these are home, then user, okay. This root part is actually for root user. Then this temp file is for temporary files. This variable is for which includes the system logs, web content, okay. So web content is stored under where slash www slash html, and then the file content like this example, just an example. Then this user page includes like software data, like you can say word list, like user slash share slash word list, then rocku.txt or anything else. Then this dev contain the device files, okay. Then here comes the proc, which contains the virtual file system. Then here is this uh, sys. Okay, so these are some basic directories. So let me show you here. So when you type cd, you change the directory, okay. So when you type cd slash, you actually uh, are moved to the root directory. You can say home directory or base directory. Then if you will do list, you will get all these file names. You can see boot, etc, home, amount, opt, proc, boot, everything we did studied. Okay, then here comes this part. Here you can see like something like this. I will just coming to this. Actually, this is the permission part. Okay, so in the root, where is the root? Here you can see. Okay, and the difference between root and bin. Okay, so you will understand this part in few minutes. Yeah, so this is it. Let me again go to Cybersecurity, then I think tutorial. Okay, yeah, we are here back. Now, the main thing which is very important is the permission part. So in the permission part, you can see there it has a component RWX for files and then RWX for directories. Okay, read, write, execute. Now, these permissions are assigned to three categories. Okay, owner, group, and other. Other means everyone else on the system. Group means specific group it's assigned to, and owner is the root. Then here, you can let me show you here. These are the you can say special permission file. So this SUID file is it set on an executable file. It allows the file to be run with a root without owner's permission. Okay, so these are very important for, you can say, CTFs and rooms, TryHackMe rooms. Then there is this set GID. This is also similar to it, but it runs with the group permission of all file. Okay, similarly sticky bit you can read here. Okay, then it says using chmod 777 read, write, execute for everyone is a significant security risk and should almost never be used on sensitive files. Okay. Now I have just created this interactive chmod calculator like this part which you are seeing. So for root, actually, other user can't read, can't execute your root directory. Okay. The group user may read but can't execute or write. But here you can see actually we will get this root part. The user group can't do anything, but the group can read and execute. Group can read and execute. So this is the basic structure of the root directory. That's how we actually got, and this is permission 750. So if that is 777, what is 777? Like if we select all of these, okay, so this is you can say chmod 777. So that's how actually it works. So you can use this and understand it. Okay, then there are some cybersecurity tools: IP, TCP dump, curl, netstat, sudo, find, grep, and map, so which are used in reconnaissance. So there's just for like information. Then there is some process management part here. like PS, which tells us the process, then kill, which can help kill. Like here you can see, if you want to kill this slash has been slash in it, you can just click kill. If you want to remove this, you can press kill. So it's not interactive in cell. You have to, like if I type PS, so here you can see I got the process. So if I kill face, wait, I will not. Let me, what we can do. Okay, let's kill. We will reopen it. If I kill face, here you can see. Warning, program uses has been slash face crashed. There, you can see we can't do anything. It's actually crashed. Okay, so now I've opened this new tab here. Okay, again, rest, everything is fine. Okay, now I will type process. It's again here, PS, this. Okay, so that's how kill works. PS works and kill works. Okay, top we have already discussed. Then there are some packages which you have to install. Like if you want to install any software in Linux, you have to use package management tools. Like for Garuda Linux, it is Pacman. For Debian based, it's APT that you can actually search on AI tools, ChatGPT, anything that you will get. Like if you just type, wait, just type sudo apt. If you are Debian user, okay, this won't work for me. Sudo apt install nmap, so it will install nmap. But for me, it's not this. It's not. It's pacman. Dash sy is to update the system. So that's how actually you can say download any package. Then here you can just see the overview of that. Like either you need to install nmap, it will show something like this, and then installing just an overview. Then after that comes cron tab, cron jobs. You can say anything. So these are also very important when you are solving any room in TryHackMe or doing any CTF problem. So cron jobs are the job which are scheduled to be run at a fixed time, like per month, per day, which day, like Sunday, per week. So that's what is cron job. So this is how it can be suspectable. Like you, when you list the cron tab, you will see there is a service running. Like there is a file, okay, a Python file which is running. Then you will see like the permission of the file, and you can write that file. So now what you can do, you can just enter some reverse shell script in that Python file, and it will actually give you the reverse shell as it is running as root, and it will give you the access of the shell. So that's what is cron job and how that is dangerous. Okay. Then there are some service management like Apache service, MySQL. You can stop them, start them, status. You can view the status, start, stop. You can do anything. Okay. So like SSH also comes under this. Okay. So like it's a command you can use is sudo service start SSH something, stop SSH. So that's so this is a mini practice, like just nothing. It's like if you type start scenario, you see there is this secret config and index.html, and you created the secret config, you get two directories. You move to change your directory to this file, and then you get a flag.txt and you copied the flag and you won. So that's it's very easy, but just for practice. Okay. Now again, let's go to chmod and chown. I think you have a bit information about that now. I have told you. So let's create a file. Okay, touch service dot sh. Okay, and then I will do what I will do. Okay, first I will show you list. Here you can see service dot sh command. Okay, now I will do chmod plus x service.sh. Now if I do list SLA, here you can see the execute tag. Okay, so actually I provided it the permission to execute. Now we can execute this file. So then chown is actually to assign group and all thing. It's not required much, but chmod is required very much while solving a CTF running any script or something. Then this PS part I showed you. Then this stop command also I can show you here. the process all the running. Let's close that. And this htop is like similar to this top, but you can say a user-friendly interface. I think it installed. Yeah, it's there. So here you can see the data. That's it. Simple, just like task manager, you can see. Say, then this kill we have viewed. Then kill all is also similar to kill, but it terminate all the instances of a specific program. Okay, we are very much there about to end. So these pacman commands are just you can say to install package here sudo pacman -s then nmap to install nmap, then remove package we can use sudo pacman -r nmap. So for apt you can search. This is actually for pacman stuff for Garuda Linux or Arch Linux. Then comes the grep command. Okay, at start I think if you remembered we learned about locate and find. Similarly, grep command can be used to find anything. Like if I type grep test r flag, I got nothing. So it actually finds for file. Like if I type file, I got nothing. But I have here this file.txt. So it actually what does is um, it just search for all the file name specific to that you can say file name. Like what I can do, so you that's I think it uses this or not, I forgot. Okay, let me go to home, wait, a directory pack and grab this r and file.txt. I think it should. So yeah, so here you can see we have now this all the names which contains file.txt, not only the file name but the content also. Like if any inside any file there is content specific named file.txt, it will list that also. That's what this grep does. So you can similarly view all this command here. I will provide this link. I will just tell you some important ones. Sort actually it removes unwanted like duplicate. Okay. Then it's here are some uh, this word count. Okay. So like if I have cat, wait, what's my directory? Let's go to tutorial, rest cat file.txt. So it's too small, but if you want to count, you can use this pipe. Yeah. So one more thing. So if you want to combine two commands, you can use pipe. Then what I will use? I will use word count as L. So it will tell me the word count of this file.txt. Okay. Then sorry, not the word count, the line count actually. Sorry, my bad. Then here you can see these are some not much important. Then this mountain and mount are just for like if you put some, I think you know about something about when you put in the pen drive, it's called mount, and when you unmount it, then you can remove it. In Windows, you see like when you put your pen drive in, then you have an option to like unmount it, and it says unmount safely. So that's what it means. Nothing else. Then uname, if you type unamed as a, here you can see the information of my PC. Okay. Then yeah, you can system information. Then this host name tells the host name, contact which we discussed. Then ID. Yeah, ID part is very important. Like if I type ID here, I will get my ID, like which user I am. If I type go to, so SU is used to switch user. Like if I am going to switch to root, so what I will type sudo su root. Okay, and the password. Sorry, I entered the wrong password. Wait a second. Yep. So here you can see now if I type ID, I am root. So you can switch user to root. That's how you can switch user to root. Now, then the thing which is important, I think we have discussed Nano. It's an editor friendly text editor. Vim is also a text editor. Then this IP command. Okay, just if I type IP-a here, you can see all the options here. Okay. So it tells you usually your IP. The ping command is very important for checking the connection to the attacker machine, sorry, victim machine. Like if I type ping google.com, so it will send okay, why it's not working? Okay, sorry, actually I'm using my college Wi-Fi, so maybe because of that ping is not working. Yeah, so I use this Windscribe VPN for that, but nothing much work. So you can use ping command just to check the connectivity. Okay. Then next stat here is also important. It actually displays your displays the open ports, active connection services from your machine and all thing. Then who is also important. It's actually tells the IP for a domain. Okay. Then there's come this TCP dump command. It's like packet analyzer, like packet analyzer, yeah, like Wireshark. Okay, then this nmap command is very important. And here I have something for you. If you are on TryHackMe, you can use this command. With the help of this command, you will able to get all the information from open port. It will also run script. So everything you required will get from this command. Okay, you can use this. So I'm not telling you like all the flags of this command like which I told, so that you can study by your own. So then here we have sudo. So if you want to run anything with root privileges, you can type sudo. Like if I type sudo su, so I am using su, that is switch user command using sudo. So I will be directly redirected to the root. I don't have to write su root. Okay, that's the power of sudo. So sudo is actually your gold mine for these CTFs and all. So you have to just, if you have, you can somehow run sudo, you can able to exploit any machine. Okay. Then these are some this little bit advanced command which you can study by your own. It's not a little bit, not much actually. This SCP is used to copy file and S this in over SSH, SFTP. These both are used to copy files here. Then yeah, I think we are done. Export command is you can export the change the path and all thing. Then I think these things you can read by your own system CTL, like to enable Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth, like something. You can, yeah. So we have done much, I think. This is so yeah. If you want to learn more about some command like nmap, so you can type man and nmap. So here it tells everything about that command. Here you can see description, great description. So you can here you have explain all the flags, how they are used. Okay, so that's how you can understand any command. If I type here nmap, this will not tell much, but this is just a web page. But using your terminal, you can use that. So I think we have done a lot here. We have done this, covered a lot, and this, if you master this web page, then I guarantee you that it will help a lot in your CTFs or in your career life in cybersecurity. It will make your uh, path easier. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.